Crypto is a fighter, and guess what? It has some prominent advocates who see beyond the market fluctuations and wavering headlines to a greater purpose for digital assets. One of the ardent advocates is Garry Kasparov, one of the greatest chess players of all time. So what did he say about crypto? The argument that crypto benefits bad guys occasionally doesn't fly with me. Humans have monopoly on evil. How can you stop progress by saying potentially it could be used for ill? Kasparov said in an interview. Amid the pitfalls, there's still some reasons to love crypto, but there are more reasons to fall in love with Cardano ADA. One of the most prominent misconceptions about the cryptocurrency sector is that it is a dark and nefarious playground for bad actors, or a haven for criminals. No doubt bad actors do exist in crypto, just as they do in any genre of human endeavor. We can't kick them all out, they're just too sticky to be removed. However, kudos to bullish proponents who zoom out on cryptocurrencies and appreciate the beauty of these assets. Of course, crypto is beautiful, but only if you choose to see it from a more positive perspective. A huge bonus? Cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and DeFi are all playing an important role in attempting to make the world a better place, and their potential is only the beginning to be tapped. To be specific, Cardano DeFi has been gaining some incredible ground lately. DeFi enables a globally accessible financial system, without the entry requirements demanded by centralized financial services. It's a new system without borders or traditional barriers to access. DeFi allows people with small amounts of excess capital to become the bank and deposit their funds into a protocol to provide liquidity and generate returns in the form of yields from financial activities conducted on that protocol. Setting cryptocurrencies aside, the world of DeFi also offers intriguing opportunities for doing good. A major advantage is the absence of bureaucratic red tape that can make traditional methods of organization tedious, cumbersome, and time-consuming. From the growing list of Cardano DeFi projects on its network, Cardano has a wide and varied DeFi ecosystem with lots of participants. Cardano's DeFi prospects include multiple DEXs, asset management platforms, decentralized lending and borrowing platforms, housing projects, as well as launchpads and accelerators. The Cardano network has experienced a significant surge in total value locked, which has increased by 150% since reaching its local bottom. This outstanding growth is closely knitted to renewed interest in decentralized finance, as investors flock back to yield farming and decentralized exchanges gain popularity once again. Do you remember the Valentine upgrade? This upgrade was targeted at making some enhancements to cross-chain functionality for decentralized finance applications building on the network, according to developers. The upgrade was initially tested in a virtual testing environment that mimics real-world performance before it was eventually released on the mainnet. According to a tweet from IOG, in collaboration with Cardano Stiftung, an updated proposal was submitted yesterday to upgrade the #Cardano pre-production environment to Protocol V8, which will take effect on Saturday, February 11, 2023. The upgrade was planned to bring enhanced cryptographic features to Cardano while improving cross-chain decentralized application development on Plutus, the smart contract platform of the Cardano blockchain. Cross-chain bridges are software applications that enable transactions to occur between various blockchains. Such a feature on Cardano would allow developers to build applications that connect Cardano with other blockchains, which in turn give access to users of other blockchains to interact easily with financial services offered by Cardano dApps. dApps rely on smart contracts instead of middlemen to offer financial services, such as lending and borrowing, to users who often use the dApps token or are rewarded in those tokens. The upgrade came as Cardano-based DeFi applications crossed $100 million in total value locked, an 8th-month high. According to DeFi Llama, DeFi exchanges, MinSwap, and Wing Riders account for over 50% of this TVO. Generally, interest in Cardano DeFi has skyrocketed since the launch of the over-collateralized JED stablecoin. As CoinDesk reported, JED is backed by other tokens and requires between 400 and 800% in collateral value to be posted before it's issued to a user. This over-collateralization mechanism allows JED's value to be stable during market stress and prevents a repeat of what happened to Terra USD, the algorithmic stablecoin linked to Terra's system Luna token, which fell in value by over 99% in May of 2022. On the other hand, Shin, the reserve token meant to support JED's stability, receives additional rewards when holders of Cardano's ADA cryptocurrency stake their coins to mint JED stablecoins, which fuels liquidity for the upstart ecosystem. DeFi has been on fire lately, with many investors seeking opportunities to maximize their returns in the decentralized finance space. Yield farming has been a primary driver behind the resurgence, as it permits users to earn passive income by providing liquidity to various DeFi platforms. Additionally, DEXs have witnessed a sharp rise in trading volume, further illustrating the growing enthusiasm for DeFi. Despite not being the primary choice for DeFi enthusiasts, Cardano offers a wide range of decentralized financial solutions that have contributed to the surge in its TVL. The network's unwavering emphasis on scalability, interoperability, and sustainability have made it an attractive alternative to other DeFi platforms. Cardano's growth in TVL illustrate the network's potential to become a key player in the DeFi ecosystem. The solid growth could lead to the rapid and highly anticipated recovery of Cardano on the market. Unfortunately, ADA has been one of the worst performing assets in the top 20 of the cryptocurrency market for some time now. While it may not be the go-to network for DeFi enthusiasts, Cardano still offers a wide range of benefits for both developers and users. Hence, it might even gain even more traction as the recovery of the market progresses. But to change gears a little bit, recently Cardano ADA is sending off a bullish indicator amid a move by major digital currencies printing a resurgence in their price growth. With many high-performing blockchain protocols hinging their current price actions on certain fundamentals within their ecosystems, Cardano is depending on the strength of the uptick in its DeFi hub to maintain a positive outlook. While the Cardano total value locked recorded more than 150% growth amid a resurgence in its DeFi activities, recent data from DeFi Llama shows that ADA locked in smart contracts, resident on the protocol, surpassed 378 million. With the broader volatility in the digital currency ecosystem, Cardano is said to benefit from the continuous growth in yield-bearing products spiced up by decentralized applications resident in it. With the demand for DeFi products, there is going to be a ready demand for ADA, which will form a more natural avenue for the price of tokens to be driven higher based on the laws of supply and demand. Cardano has been a major driver and proponent of decentralization in blockchain protocols, and it is diligently developing the protocol to adhere to Web 3.0 backed governance tenets. Known as one of the most decentralized protocols around, the liquid staking offering by Cardano, born out of its advanced distributed design, has been tipped as a strategy for the industry to bypass the regulatory sanctions of the SEC, which has been targeting firms providing staking services. Cardano is still undergoing significant developments which will ultimately aid its DeFi growth and eventually its native token growth in the long term. Notably, other altcoins are not left out of the DeFi game though, although there have been some setbacks for them. Long-term holders of one of the Ethereum-based decentralized finance altcoins are taking a step back from their investment, according to crypto analytics firm Sentiment. In a report, Sentiment acknowledged that SushiSwap Sushi's total value locked has witnessed a massive 93% decline since November of 2021. In comparison to TVL, a SushiSwap's competitor, Uniswap, has only dropped 63% over the same time frame. The firm also added that the number of unique active wallets interacting with SushiSwap is seeing very little growth. Looking at the UAW, the number of unique active wallets interacting or performing a transaction with a dApps smart contract, there are some occasional spikes, but overall there's little real growth as protocol usage on average remains pretty low. As for Uniswap, Sentiment noted that the number of unique active wallets transacting on the network is on the rise. Meanwhile, on Uniswap, UAW has been increasing for the last year and at a pretty organic rate. Protocol usage on average maintains at levels higher than 1 year ago, indicating a healthy protocol. The emphasis on the passive income has been quite intense for some time now. This simply validates the assurance that crypto world is not going to collapse anytime soon, and it has the potential to offer solutions to lingering and nagging problems. The DeFi world is getting interesting, which makes investors more expectant of what it is about to unveil, and Cardano itself is just getting started. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on the subscribe and notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.